in the snack bar aisle, which is one of my favorites since I travel a lot on the go. Got Glutino toaster pastries. But down here you've got a bunch of nutrition bars. Breakfast Ovals, Enjoy Life is a great brand for that. Kind actually does have a bunch of gluten-free bars. So that's a nice selection right there. I've seen some Cliff Kids that are. Annie's got a gluten-free one next to some that are not gluten-free. So again, it's one of those things you just have to be very careful and read the labels. And then here's Glutino. I might actually have to try those.